In this video, I will be showing you how to hide likes and dislikes on YouTube. Let's get started. First, I open up my web browser and click on the address bar at the top to search for YouTube. I type YouTube into the search bar, hit search, and click on the official YouTube link in the search results to open the website. Once YouTube loads, I navigate to the left side menu and click on your channel to go directly to my YouTube channel homepage. Next, I look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Create button with the video camera icon. From the drop-down menu, I select Upload Video, which opens up YouTube Studio. If the upload pop-up appears, I simply close it by clicking the X button in the top right corner so I can view my uploaded content. Now, on the channel content page under the Videos tab, I hover over the video I want to edit and click on the Details pencil icon. This takes me into the Video Details page. I scroll all the way down past the description, thumbnail, playlists, and audience sections until I reach the bottom. I click on Show More to reveal the advanced settings and options. I continue scrolling down through paid promotion, automatic tags, and language options until I reach the comments and ratings section at the very bottom. Here, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show how many viewers like this video. To hide the likes and dislikes count from viewers, I click on this checkbox to uncheck it. After turning off that option, I scroll back up to the top right corner of the page and click on the Save button to apply the changes. Once the notification pops up confirming that the changes are saved, I click on the back arrow next to Channel Content in the top left corner to return to my video list. That's all there is to it. Your video's likes and dislikes count is now completely hidden from viewers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.